Delhi University's Executive Council has made a path-breaking decision to allow entrance exams for those seeking admission in one of the top universities in the country, the Delhi University. So if you are studying in 12th and have aspirations to study in colleges such as Lady Shri Ram, Miranda House, as well as Hindu or Stephens, now you will have to give an entrance test. To talk more about this, I have with me Professor Yogesh Singh, who is the Vice Chancellor of Delhi University. Sir, how big is this decision for children who aspire to be among the top leagues in the country, especially when they seek admissions in DU?
I am thankful to Executive Council of University of Delhi for taking such a good decision. This is in the interest of our students because this marks-based system, basically it's an obsolete system. Many universities of India are also not following this because it doesn't give a fair chance to all students. Those students who are coming from lenient boards, they have better chances over the students coming from the tight boards. It means your admission in a particular board may improve or may decrease your performance. This is not fair. Right. But entrance test will be fair to everyone, will give equal opportunity to everyone, and it will provide same level of field for every student.
Right. So, what used to happen was, as a parent, they always used to wonder whether a student should study in a particular board or not. So, there are a lot of students who are in CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and then there were students who studied in state boards like Uttar Pradesh board or Maharashtra board or Tamil Nadu board, and they didn't get a fair chance. So, will this entrance be that level playing field at the moment, and when will you start this?
Because then there will not be any weightage for marks. If there is no weightage for marks in the test, obviously every student will have equal opportunity. For example, if we say eligibility criteria, 50% marks or 55% marks, that's only the eligibility. Okay. But when it comes to the suitability of a student for a particular course, that will be decided through a test where will have two parts. One is the aptitude test, common, and another is optional. Depending upon the choice of various subjects, students can decide and appear for the test. And the performance of the test will decide the course and the college.
Right. So you will begin this from this academic year, because as we speak, there are children giving their board exams. So will they also have to appear for entrances?
Yes, this we will start from the academic year 22-23. So from April onwards, this will be applicable.
And so, will it also be in different languages? Because now with that we're talking about level playing field, so students from various states will apply?
Yes, we will conduct this entrance test in many languages in order to give like the fair chance to everyone. Those students who are studying in Hindi language or vernacular languages, otherwise they will have difficulty in appearing in English. Why should we do that? So that's why this will be in many languages.
So once you do this, are you expecting an influx of students to apply in Delhi University? Already the university receives many applications every year, and it becomes very difficult for DU to accommodate students.
You know, Delhi University is one of the good university of our country, right. And we find aspirations in Kerala, Northeast, Bengal, Maharashtra, many other states. So it's a matter of pride to Delhi University. We welcome every student. They should apply here, and we will accommodate good number of students. We are also working in the direction of enhancing seats in the various institutions. And in the coming times, we will have a good number of opportunities for all the students. Right now, the problem is we don't have adequate number of seats in Indian universities. And we have in India like so many bright young students. And it is our responsibility to provide such seats to our students.
Definitely, that remains to be a challenge, but the biggest decision that has been taken by Delhi University at the moment is to bring out entrance exams so that students, basis on their aptitudes and colleges that they apply, will no longer need to depend on the 12th standard mark cutoff, and will be able to move forward in the colleges that they wish to. This will begin from this academic year 2020-22, and looking forward to how many applications will Delhi University receive but certainly a big load off the backs of students who are worried about their cutoffs in the 12th class. With Pradeep Gupta in New Delhi, Milan Sharma for India Today.